Resistors are the most common components you can find in an electronic circuit. They slow down or resist the flow of current within the circuit. As we earlier established, there are cases where you require to reduce the speed of fast moving electrons, or reduce the amount of current that is flowing through a component, because each different components have their different current ratings. That's how much current they can take and how much current they need in order to work. So resistors allow us to provide that. In the basic circuit, the LED would have been destroyed if all the current from the battery was allowed to pass through it, because the LEDs have a current rating of about 25 milliamp. So we had to select a resistor, which we selected was 120 ohms, which I selected rather, because you were not part of the design. I selected a 120 ohms resistor to slow down the current to a value that is safe enough to pass through the LED without destroying it. All of that was achieved through some simple calculation, which you've learned about in the upcoming videos. Before you power on an LED, always make sure you protect it with a resistor. If you power on an LED without the resistor in series with the LED, you have a risk of burning out that LED, and that will probably be one of the first mistakes you make when you're building circuits. People short circuit LEDs. Even when you're testing the LED, you should put a resistor in series with it to avoid burnout. There are different kind of resistors, and for now let's look at standard or fixed resistors. A standard resistor or a fixed resistor is a kind of resistor that you cannot change the value by yourself. It is the way the manufacturer produced it, that is the way it will be. And there are different symbols. There's the European symbol here, and then there's the American symbol. You can use any one you like, but my personal favorite is the American symbol. We're going to be looking at a live tutorial on fixed resistors, and from that video you're going to learn about physical appearance of resistors. You're going to learn about their polarity. They are not polarized, but of course polarity is important so that you can know that they are not polarized. Then power rating, you'll be dealing with power rating of resistors, how to recognize the power rating of resistors, and most importantly we will be looking at how to identify the values of resistors. Because when you see a resistor or when you buy a resistor, you need to be able to confirm the value of that resistor before you use it in your circuit. So see you in the next video.